the participant of your class.
Okay, ma'am.
Hello?
Yeah, now I start recording. Please give me self-introduction and you tell me about something ourselves. And after that, what do you means whatever you learn and means whatever you do, please explain. And 100% it is my pleasure, not my pleasure. It is my all team pleasure. Okay, because you come with me and you have lots of experience. I hope each everyone today I learn lots. Okay, ma'am. So please, yeah, let me start.
Thank you very much, Mr. Yadav. Thank you very much for considering me in that way. So everyone, hi. My name is Bhavna actually, and I have done schooling from my Kendriya Vidyalaya, and yeah, I've done my bachelor too, and MCom too from economics. And here I actually worked with the corporate for 5 years at least. And since I was starting in Delhi, since I mean during that time I was like I was in that phase on learning phase. So I started my journey from that way. So I started learning a lot, and speaking good communication. I mean, speaking good English was kind of my passion during that time. I got a platform to communicate with every single customer when I was working. First job was my in Hyundai. So there I got a platform, like I start communicating with the customers, and there it was just simple method that I'm sharing with you, to be very honest. Okay, I was really poor at grammar specifically. So whatever I was spoke to them, they would revert me in the right way, and I copied that very well. And I practice a lot. Every single day I practice a lot. I used to speak very wrong, but eventually I got to improve day by day. And most of the things that I've prepared for my interviews, that I prepare in front of the mirror specifically. And from that on, I mean, eventually once you start taking that practice, your communication with your accent, with your vocabulary, everything will going to improve day by day. But you have to carry that practice. That's all you need to do. Nothing else. I mean, if somebody told me like, Bhavna, you can go and take some classes from someone, I mean, no teacher will I mean, no one can magic on you that you can speak frequently or correctly whatever you want to speak. No, that is wrong. What I believe, that once you start practicing the things that you learning from anywhere, then only you can speak very well, to be honest. So I'm here to help you, and whatever I can help you, I'm going to help you out. Okay, so I mean, this is very sudden. I don't know what to speak else, or whatever you want to ask me. I'm here to help you. I'm here to answer.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, Doctor Sir, you have any question and you have any like a good idea, so you can contribute with ma'am. Yeah, Dr. Vikas sir.
Yeah, yeah, Bhavna ma'am, wonderful explain all the thing your present and experience, and
That
you
is
speak
true
a
experience I
wonderful.
have shared with you, to be honest. That
Yeah.
is very, very true. I mean, I nothing put something extraordinary, to be honest.
So, ma'am, suppose if a new person want to improve his English, so in this manner, or in a whole day, we have got 24 hours, suppose. So, how many hours we have to give in a 24 hours for improvement in the English?
No, you don't have to put a specific time in a speaking. While, see what happened, our mind has a perseverance. Once you settle it down here, then you get to understand, like, this is the time I supposed to give it to this specific subject or relevant thing that I want to learn, right? What I mean, eventually in day to day or with daily routine, whatever you're doing, you try to communicate. Not even if you have a somebody to speak, then it's really good, but you have your mind to speak inside. Getting me?
Yeah.
Getting me? While you are communicating with somebody, you don't have to just express yourself. Okay, you just have to express with gesturing also, with your gestures, and which is very important to expressing very correctly whatever you want to express, right? You mean what I mean to say? I mean, from where it comes from, I have put it my gesture in a mirror, that this is the way I want to communicate, this is the way I want to express. So gesture is also very important. while you are communicating anyone. Second, vocabulary. Third, accent, the pronunciation, right? I have worked a lot on my pronunciation, to be honest. Worked a lot. Okay.
Yeah,
So you
yeah,
don't
thanks,
have
ma'am.
to give a specific time period to a specific thing that your mind is settling here. Oh my God, this is 1 hour, 2 hour. I supposed to give it this much time to speaking. And sometime if that consistency will skip, or somehow that will not manage, then what happened? You might feel some gap. Oh my God, मेरा class तो छूट गया, आज तो मेरा time नहीं दिया, यहाँ पे settling नहीं होगा. You getting me? You getting me?
One more, yeah, one more thing, ma'am. Suppose a person
I'm telling you,
want to,
I'm coming on. I'm
Yeah.
coming on, Baba. I'm coming on. What I mean to say,
Okay.
suppose I have a friend and I am living in a PG, paying guest. Okay.
Okay.
And rather, I mean, around 8 hours or 10 hours, I might spend with her, or 8 hours I'm spending with my job, right? So I had a
Yeah.
kind of job where I've been working with Jaguar and Land Rover too. So where the quality of the customer was really good. I improved a lot there too. But I got the platform, kind of platform like where my PG friend is also speaking really well. I am trying more to communicate with her in English. I don't have to give it specific time period. You getting me? Just capture 1, 2, 3 new more words to like put it in your language. 1, 2, 3 daily, बस उतना ही करना है. बहुत ज्यादा emphasis इधर नहीं करना. अगर यहाँ पे बहुत ज्यादा emphasis करोगे तो बहुत, मुझे ऐसा लगता है personally problematic है. You might no, disrupting, or you might I don't know what to say यार. मतलब specifically तो problematic होता है ना? You know, this is what I consider. I don't know how you take it. I seriously don't know. But to be honest, this is what I feel. You don't have to give it a specific time. This is the way I am communicating with you. I am speaking with you. You have to just practice it like this. That's all. That's all.
Okay, okay.
If you have someone to speak up, very good. If you don't have, you have yourself, you have a mirror, you have so many stuff in mobile too. You can communicate. You have to communicate. That's all. That's all. You make a story. You try to communicate every single thing, whatever you're doing, whatever you're speaking, a normal daily routine. Normal daily routine. You just have to remember 2, 3, 4 words every single day, a new words, the vocabulary. That's all.
Okay, Jitan, do you have any questions? You can ask ma'am. Yeah, Jitan.
Actually, sir, she already have a experience in the Lamborghini, and she works in the many kind of companies. So she have a very great knowledge, vast knowledge regarding the English and communication skill. But I want to ask Bhavna ma'am, just elaborate the communication skill, verbal and non-verbal skills. So just explain to all of us.
Okay. Verbal is just like there are things, I mean, where you're supposed to write up, or where you're supposed to like communicate. Okay, I had both platforms. I was really good. I was like, I have to, like, if you are my client or if you're my customer, okay, I'm supposed to explain every single thing, whatever I'm gonna do regards you. Okay, and similar at the same time, I have to type, or I have to write it down, like formally, everything in detail. Okay, so there I got a platform, like the both things has happened with me simultaneously.
Yes.
Okay, yeah, Emma, unmute yourself. Emma, you have any questions, so please you can ask fast.
Hello. Ma'am, I have a question. If a person is able to speak, he can speak average like me, but if he wants to himself more effective speaker, then how can he manage?
I get that, Baba. I get that. See, what is your name? Pawan, right?
Yes,
Hello?
Hema. Yes, yes. My name is Hema.
Hema Yadav. Hema Yadav.
Hema Yadav. Okay, okay. So, Hema, what I mean to say, like, whatever you studying, wherever you working, okay. If you are really crazy girl to learn speaking, there is no one or no hurdles can make you feel that way. You have to enthusiasm from inside to be craziest to speak up. Okay, you just have to do only a few things. What I mean, like, what you are communicating with people, other people, or to anyone. Okay, whether it's your mom, mother, father, friends, family, colleague, anyone, no matter, no problem. Okay, consider yourself to be communicated inside your mind too while they are not with you. But the more you will practice, the more you will good and effectively, really effective about your speaking, to be honest.
Okay,
The
got it.
more
Got it,
practice
Hema.
can make you. Hema, you listening me? Hello? Hello, Hema.
Yeah, I think she is face a little bit network problem. No issue. Yeah, Sadhana ma'am, are you comfortable now?
Yeah,
Yes,
I'm
sir.
good.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
Good.
Yeah, Sadhana ma'am, you have any question and you have any like doubt, so you can also ask any question from Bhavna ma'am.
Actually, ma'am, really means I want to learn English, but I am unable to understand all things. Means I try to make a sentence, but many sentences come in my mind, but I couldn't make.
Hold on. I get your point. I was also on your stage once, you know. I was really at your what we people feel like, whatever you want to speak, that should be absolutely right and correct grammatically to pronunciation, everything should be right, isn't it?
Yeah, ma'am.
So what happened like that happens inside the mind before we speaking, and it takes that long gap. Oh my god, what to speak? I got a gap. You get it?
Yeah, ma'am.
What I mean कि तुम एक काम करो कि ये सोचने से पहले कि मुझे सही बोलना है, स्टार्ट स्पीकिंग. गलत बोलो तुम, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, लेकिन जिसके साथ तुम गलत बोल रही हो ना, whosoever you speaking wrong, that person should understand that you are in learning phase.
Yeah, ma'am. But sometime I also face some problem. I also vocab problem. So many sentence come, but that time I can't express myself. So how can I do?
See, do one thing. This is my personal experience. Okay, what I am telling you, this is my personal experience. While I was, hello, getting me? Hello,
Yeah,
Aryan.
ma'am. Yes,
Right?
yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
This is my personal experience. I was like, there was some kind of speech, or there was some bit of conversation that I was supposed to speak with the customer. Okay, so I made a speech on writing. Okay, and I used to speak every customer like that, most probably. And whatever they told me in return, I copy that simply. I copy that. मैं तो गलत बोलती थी बाबा, ठीक है, लेकिन मुझे सही सुनने को मिल जाता था और मैं उसको कॉपी कर लेती थी. वो पूरा सेशन चला 1 साल तक. मेरा फर्स्ट जॉब था, उसमें 1 साल तक
in my side, man, there are no environment to speak. I mean, anybody speak only Hindi. They don't
I
use
get that, Baba. I
word
get
English.
that.
So how can I
No
improve
problem.
myself?
No problem. What you can do now? So here you are in this class, okay? For 1 hour, if we will continue this class now, you get a one platform at least to communicate every single day, right? First thing.
Right.
Second thing, whatever you will have a kind of question that you might feel that you have a problem, you can send it to me on WhatsApp. I'll give you my number, okay? There you
Okay,
got to
ma'am.
help. And second, what you need to do, whatever the time you will get out of the 24 hours, okay, try to communicate in your mind, in front of the mirror, with not, you just don't have to work only the speaking, you just have to work with your gesture, with your accent, with your pronunciation, with your vocabulary too, right? Then only you can be really effective speaker. Okay. Getting me?
Okay, ma'am. Yeah,
Huh?
ma'am.
What happened, like people really good at English, they're very good at grammar, they're very good at speaking, but they can't make that level of confidence that they can speaking so nicely, because they have a lack of pronunciation problem, accent problem, a kind of problem. Okay, you getting me? So what
Yeah,
we
ma'am.
call the effective English, that is absolute with the good pronunciation, with sort of like good vocabulary, sort of like good kind of small amount of at least grammar should be good. Okay, while you are speaking, your English will not be judged by anyone when you are really good at pronunciation or with the accent. You getting me?
Yeah, ma'am.
Getting
Okay.
me?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah.
Hi.
Sneha, you have any question, so you can ask also.
Yes,
Sneha?
sir. Okay. Thank you, sir. Give me opportunity. Okay, ma'am. I would like ask one question. As soon as
Hey,
my
what's your
teacher give
name?
me, my name is Sneha.
Sneha, where are you? I'm finding out.
Ma'am, I am from Uttar Pradesh, but I am living in Maharashtra now.
Okay, okay. I cannot see your photograph actually.
Ma'am, because here no light, that's why, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. Please carry on. Please carry on.
Okay, ma'am.
Hello?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
हाँ बताओ ना,
Please,
बोलो
ma'am.
बोलो.
Yes, ma'am. I have some problem, ma'am. As soon as my teacher give me any topic for speak, ma'am, I am unable to speaking. I start thinking how can I speak, because suddenly my teacher give me topic, I am unable to speak, teacher.
I get that, Baba. I get that. हम सभी
Yes,
लोगों के
ma'am.
साथ तो वही बिगनिंग में सेम प्रॉब्लम होता है ना बाबा. तुम्हारे साथ भी वही हो रहा है, कोई अलग तो ना
Yes,
है.
ma'am.
समझ गई मैं, समझ गई.
Yes, ma'am.
So whatever I have I mean whatever I told earlier, did you listen that?
What, ma'am?
Whatever I told earlier to that I don't remember that girl name. Did you listen me earlier?
Neha. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You
Yes,
listening me,
ma'am.
right?
Yeah, ma'am.
So what I was saying, like, what's your name?
My name is Sneha.
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 What are you doing exactly?
What, ma'am?
What are you studying, Baba?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I want to ask a question. My teacher give me any topic for
No,
speech.
no. Sneha, ma'am asked me what are you doing. Ma'am, Bhavna ma'am, she is a student. She is a student.
Okay.
10th level.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
sir. I didn't.
No problem,
Pay
Sneha.
attention,
No
ma'am.
problem. No problem.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
you are a student, right? You might get
Yes, ma'am.
like more time, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You're supposed to focus on your studies, on your other subjects too, right? But you really want to learn, or you really want to speak out, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay. So what is exactly the problem that you used to face?
What, ma'am? While speaking
What kind of problems you used to really face
in English,
while
ma'am.
you're speaking? Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, this problem, whenever ma'am, I am unable to speak on any topic, because I started thinking I will not be able to speak on this topic because I have no thought about this topic. That's why.
So
This
when your
problem, ma'am.
teacher gave you any topic, I mean, did you do something to research or to find out like what you're supposed to speak out, or you write it down somewhere?
No, ma'am. I don't know what what's the topic I have to speak. My teacher give me suddenly, ma'am. That's why.
Okay. So what kind of topics your teacher used to give you?
Ma'am, other day by day, other topic, like me, different type topic.
So you're taking some classes for spoken?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So there is a problem like you unable to speak out suddenly if your ma'am is gave you any kind of topic, right?
Yes, ma'am. Because, ma'am, firstly, I have no thought about any topic. That's why I'm unable to speak.
And you got blank suddenly,
I
you
do,
don't know
ma'am?
what to speak, right?
Ma'am, what should I do? So please tell me.
I'm telling you. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So what do you do? Like how many classes you have been taken since you started your spoken classes?
Ma'am, only 2 classes.
2 classes.
Yes, ma'am.
So probably if you really get to understand what kind of topics, relevant topics your ma'am used to give you, you can study out a kind of relevant stuff to speak out. You can
Yes,
do
ma'am.
only this particular thing. Okay. And what I feel कि तुमको प्रॉब्लम एकदम सडनली तुम ब्लैंक आउट हो जाती होंगी और तुम्हारे दिमाग में आता नहीं होगा कि मैं बोलूं भी क्या
Yes,
भी।
ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
तुमको
Yeah,
आता
yeah.
है,
I
ऐसा
am
बात
very
नहीं है कि तुमको
nervous,
आता
ma'am.
नहीं है। या
Yes,
आई
ma'am.
गेट, ऐसा नहीं है कि तुमको आता नहीं होगा, बट तुम सडनली ब्लैंक आउट हो जाती हो।
Yes, ma'am.
तो डू वन
Yeah.
थिंग, take a small topic, a very
Yeah.
small topic, and make a
Yeah.
5 sentence, 6 sentence, write it
Yeah.
down something good, something, do some research on Google, or do something read something good on those topics and write it down 5-10 sentence about these topics. Okay, and try to speak once you read that properly and understand them, understand that particular, and do one thing, go in front of your mirror, okay, and speak out
Okay.
absolutely the way you really want to speak out. Okay, like
Yes,
I
ma'am.
am speaking with you, okay, whatever I am speaking with you or I want to speak to you, okay, I am not, मैं तुम्हें देख नहीं रही हूँ, okay, मैं तुम्हें
Ma'am.
देख नहीं रही हूँ, अब मैं देख नहीं रही हूँ तो मेरे दिमाग में भी जो भी आ रहा है तुमसे relevant मैं तुम्हारे सामने बोल रही हूँ, whether it's English or in Hindi, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So what you do, like there is no class in front of me, there is no one to judge me, and do one thing, go in front of your mirror and speak out those 10 sentences, 5 sentences, 6 sentences, whatever you write it down in your copy. Okay,
Yes,
that
ma'am.
build your confidence, that build your vocabulary too, build your gesture too, and your accent too, and your pronunciation too. You can really improve day by day through that, and you would able to speak out on any topic while your ma'am is giving you. You getting me?
Okay, ma'am.
But you
Yes,
have to
I
do your
understood.
own.
Yeah, Bhavna ma'am, sorry for interview because means we have only 2 minutes and someone also asked some question. So please you give me quickly answer. And now Khushbu, unmute yourself. Khushbu Kumari. Hello.
Yes, sir. Hello.
Yeah, Khushbu, you have
Hello?
any questions? So please you can ask first.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Ma'am, actually, my problem is this, when I started speaking, that there is hesitation and
There's some problem.
while
There's
speaking, I
some problem
can't.
in your,
Okay, Khushbu, I think
there is some problem in your network, I think.
yeah.
Sister,
But
you are
listening
not audible.
properly.
see Bantu, something like a hesitation, this type thinking.
Yes.
While speaking,
Agitation.
yeah, hesitation.
While speaking.
While speaking.
I'm really sorry, I cannot listen properly.
Yes,
Can you
ma'am,
repeat that
now
again?
it's clear.
Yeah, Khushbu.
Ma'am, actually, I means I say that while speaking, just means while speaking, I can't think about vocab, and while speaking, I have a hesitation. Means now this time I can't think about what I will say and what I will give my answer. This is my very big fault.
अभी जो मैं तुम्हें बता रही थी अभी एक दूसरे कैंडिडेट को भी बता रही थी, तुम सुन रही थी मेरी बात?
Yes, ma'am.
सुन रही थी ना?
Yeah.
So what you need to do, baby, you just have to just repeat that, or you just have to do what I have told you earlier. Similar.
Okay. Yeah.
It's
Okay,
very
ma'am.
beginning steps, very beginning, very easy.